7 mistakes that we all make when we use sunscreens. The first is the amount. We need at least 2 teaspoonfuls of sunscreen to apply on the face and neck. The time, we need to use it at least 20 minutes before exposure. The season, we need it in all seasons, be it rainy, cloudy or winter. We also need to use it when we're indoors. Creams which contain an SPF are not a replacement for sunscreen. So if you use a moisturizer that says an SPF, you need to still use a sunscreen on top of that. You have to use a sunscreen irrespective of vitamin D deficiency, because a sunscreen does not prevent vitamin D or sunlight to get absorbed. When you're using makeup, you still need to use a sunscreen. The sunscreen is applied just after the primer before you put in your foundation. And remember, dark skin too requires a sunscreen. Although we have higher melanin production, a sunscreen prevents pigmentation and degradation of collagen and elastin, which will prevent aging.